She's having, oh, whatever she said. Oh, there. Oh, she's a YouTuber.
This is what they do for the makeup artists.
I know.
You don't look like you like it.
Wait, do the arm thing. There you go. It actually works.
That's crazy.
That is
so crisp.
thick.
Oh, that is so good quality.
Too much chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like you're just eating chocolate at this point. You can barely taste the wafer.
Everyone, we have landed at Manila Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The current local time in the Philippines is 11:48 p.m.
Bango na. Ganito din ang ano ng sabon. Dab.
Gusto ko ganun yung part na yung sabon na
Lotion pala.
Hi guys! We're going swimming. Okay. Look at my nails.
Oh, nail check.
Nail check. Sugat check. Nail check. Nail check.
Nag-render, hindi lang ako maka...
Nail check daw. Nail check. Oh. Nail check. Pati nga ako, hindi lang ako nakarin sa iyo. Ay. Ay!
Eh,
Oh, A muna, A. Eh!
Huy, ate, sa lugar niya.
nails.
Ay, saan po kuya?
guys, you know, it's the vlog.
Again.
Welcome. Yes, welcome.
Walang take over daw.
Hi.
Dito kami sa bad. Ay, oo. Walang take over mo na guys.
Vlog takeover tayo, guys.
Pwede mabasa ba?
Nasaan tayo?
We're at the hindi ko kita itsura ko. Asa Pulong-Gubat kami, you know.
Outfit check!
Outfit check!
Hey, 360!
Tanya!
Outfit check!
Shein, Ate Grace, Shopee. Ate Honey.
Akin. Crocs tayo mo yung boy.
Ay, outfit check.
Wala ka.
Bro, ika muna bro.
Ano nga yun?
LPT nails.
LPT nails.
Guys, Lux Slim ha. Huwag niyo kakalimutan nila Minarata.
Rasmar lang sa kalam.
Ano kayo?
Andito yung akin, yung YouTube channel ko.
Ito din yung akin guys. Ala.
Hey guys, so for today's vlog, we'll be going. Hey, Ebs! Ebs, interview lang naman kita.
Bataga mo po.
Boss.
Kita guys.
Ano experience sa paghanap ng last minute ride? Ems, ready na pumasok.
Boy, kita namin nag-aalim sa inyo.
Long ago.
Ihaw, pre! Sayang din!
Long ago. Para ba to?
Fish me.
Daro tayo sa kumudi yan.
Guys, marami nga pala akong camping chair sa bahay.
Comment.
Hello guys.
Ako mag-relax.
Hey, bro.
Comment. What can you say about our trip?
Oh, first of all, I don't have any sleep.
Yeah, running on no sleep, gang.
Yeah, bro.
Running on no sleep, gang.
AOG. Excuse me?
Oo, wala po. Kunti kasi pantiket guys.
As you guys know, this is a typical example of a morning sa Philippines. Yeah, here. Let me show you. Yeah, this is... And
It's too simple and cozy.
yeah,
Cozy ang phone.
just for, no? Well, actually late na kami. Late na kami for our supposed appointment sa resort.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
that's just Filipino time in
Yeah.
full action.
We're going to have fun there.
Hello? Hello?
Let's go.
Oh, hello.
Blood takeover, guys. What?
Okay.
Okay.
Pagdaan daw na rice cooker siya. Ikaw na ko ba?
Rice cooker. Okay, okay.
Ako din.
So, blood takeover, guys.
Okay.
Guys,
Yeah,
parang
bye-bye.
nasa ano lang kami ah. Ibang bansa ba? Parang lang kami nasa
Oh, kunin mo na.
Japan. Ah?
Ashe! Ashe!
Hi, sabi mo hi. Hi.
Angas ko.
Hey guys, now we're currently on the way na. Go! Currently, man, with accent. Punta na kami sa sa Lubo. Time check. At anong oras na? Time check. Kita ka?
Usapang alas 5.
8:46. Morning. Usapan. 7 a.m. Yo, medyo Filipino time.
Candy yan.
I wanna be the one that makes your day. The one you think about.
Ay, kayo!
I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you'll be mine. Come back home to me, where rivers are running free.
Oh, nice one.
As far as the eye can see.
Babalsa tayo guys. Kailangan itong transport para makarating dun sa dagat.
Muna naman,
Yan.
bro!
Patas ng gamit para itawid.
Wow, magbibit.
Eh,
Walain mo na to for this day ah.
okay, no problem.
You good with that? Binigyan
I'm
pa
good.
ng outfit ah. Balas na. Wala, di na ako may pagkahilaw.
Dito ka talaga?
Plano namin magbigay ng cake. Wala siyang idea.
Di pa kaya nakita.
Saan yung nakalagay?
Doon sa akin una. Sa una. Di pa.
Busy sa ano? Sa view.
Oh, wala kang saguhan guys.
We got
Bro,
her
tropa huwag
cake
maligaw.
for
Bro.
her birthday.
Hindi mo makapaglalala.
Yeah, we're planning to surprise her.
Ay, doon daw sa dulo guys.
Oh, yo,
Pala.
what's up, man? What's up?
Kasya daw ang 20 round.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, yun. Gusto ko maitim din sa amin. Kaya may maitim na.
Salo boy. Kita ko na nga ating spot.
Wag na lang.
12 o'clock.
Oh my God, kita lahat ng pores ko dito.
Eh, kumusta naman dark spots ko?
Happy birthday. Mambo crap.
Ano ba?
Bamburap.
Bamburat.
Bamburap.
Kala ko yung bamburat.
Mga biyaheng tinglo yan.
Hi! Tong ina! Thank you po!
Bro.
Ay, wag kayo Nasaan si Tanya? Hindi mo na tayo. May kakantahan tayo.
Oo nga, hindi pa alam. Nagpipage pa daw mag-picture.
Sabi niya, ba't may cake? Sabi ko, sir.
Sa mga brad.
Nakita na.
Sa akin, oo, eh, wala mo. Oh, shibal. Hindi, kita pa. Ang busy, nakagayo na. Sige, naalala ko yung naroon na sa akin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday ko pala!
Blow.
Blow na ako!
Blow na.
Kailangan na birthday nila niya.
Bigyan ano?
Sabay.
Bigyan mi